Hey everybody, Sean Burrows with B&T here at the 2020 SHOT Show in the B&T booth. Got some exciting toys to show you. I'm holding in my hand a GHM 9 Gen 2. Gen 2 allows for modular changing of barrels and lowers. You can use the APC 9 Pro lower, for example, that accommodates Glock mags. Other than that, you've got your ambidextrous controls, magazine release, bolt release. Also on this side, ambidextrous selector. You can get it in a SBR setup, you can get it with a brace, and barrel length. If I don't want to run a short setup, B&T is now making available barrel kits. So check this out. GHM 9 Gen 2 with a 16-inch sporting barrel. This is a configuration I would likely run in a USPSA match because it is a rifle. Everything else about the gun is the same. It's just a matter of changing out the handguard and the barrel. It gets more exciting though. Check this out. B&T developed the SD system for the HKMP5 SD, which slows down supersonic projectiles to subsonic speeds and allows pretty much any 9mm you put through the gun to be suppressed. Well, the SD system is now available for the GHM 9 Gen 2. It's just a barrel and a handguard you swap out. You can put your cheap range ammo in it instead of using super expensive, heavy subsonic suppressor ammo and have a lot of fun at the range. I tried this with some extremely cheap ammo. I don't even remember what it was at range day. My point is, this was still movie quiet, just the sound of the action going back and forth. So I'm looking forward to getting one of these to put onto my GHM 9 Gen 2. More to come from the 2020 SHOT Show. Again, I'm Sean Burrows, and I'll talk to you later.